Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to make this beautiful tulip cup sleeves. Start with 32 chains and then slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. This will be the base of the cup sleeve and we'll be working from bottom to top. So we have done a slip stitch. So for row 2, what we'll do is chain 1, do a single crochet on the same stitch and then one single crochet on each chain around. Now join to the first single crochet using the slip stitch to finish this round. For row 3, chain 2. This chain 2 will act as our first half double crochet and then do one half double crochet on each stitch around. And then finish this round by joining with the top of the chain 2 using a slip stitch. Row 3 is now complete. Row 4, we are going to repeat the row 3, chain 2, one half double crochet on each stitch around and then end with the slip stitch on top of the chain 2. We are going to do a slip stitch on top of the chain 2. And then now we are going to start with a little increase because our coffee cups are designed in a way that they the diameter increases as you go on the top. So if you go, if you proceed like this, it will be in a form of cylinder, but we don't want to be like that. We want it in a shape of cone. So what we are going to do, we are going to do one increase, means we are going to do 2 single crochet on the first stitch and then we'll be doing in the exact same thing in the middle. That means for 32 chains on the first stitch and in the 16th stitch we are going to do an increase. That means in the 16th stitch we are going to do a 2 single crochet in the 16th stitch. In rest all other the stitches we are going to do one single crochet. Only in the first stitch and the 16th stitch we are going to do an increment. That means on the first stitch and 16th stitch we are going to do 2 single crochet. In rest all other stitches we are going to do 1 single crochet. Join with the top of the first single crochet and close the row. Now change the yarn color to green. Chain 3 plus one more chain. This chain 3 will act as first double crochet and then one more double crochet on the same stitch, and the extra one chain will act as a chain 1 space. This is called as V stitch. 2 double crochet on the same stitch separated by a chain space, and then skip 2 stitches and do the same thing. 1 double crochet, chain 1 and then one more double crochet on the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and do a V stitch on the third stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. That's the V stitch. Double crochet, chain 1 and then double crochet. So we are going to continue doing like this till the end of this row. Join to the top of the third chain using a slip stitch and close the row. Now change the yarn color to pink, chain 3, and then we are going to do double crochet 3 together. That is, we'll only do half of the part of double crochet and keep the other end of the loop. So we'll be doing this 3 times and then we'll pull through all the loops at once. So we are creating 3 chains and double crochet 3 together. In rest all other things we'll do double crochet 4 together. Chain 2, in between we are going to do double crochet 4 together. That is, we'll only do half of part of the double crochet and leave the loop in the hook, and we'll do that 4 times and then yarn over, pull through all the loops. So this creates a tulip like structure, and then chain 2, do 4 double crochet together, double crochet 4 together in all the chain 1 space of the V stitch. Chain 2, so continue doing like this till the end of the row. 1 tulip stitch and 1 4 double crochet together in all the chain 1 space of V stitch, separated by 2 chains. 2 chains in between, and then we'll be doing a slip stitch on top of the first 4 double crochet together and end this row. Cut the yarn, change the color of the yarn to white, chain 1 and then single crochet in the same stitch on top of the first tulip stitch, and then 2 single crochet in the chain 2 space, 1 single crochet on top of the double crochet 4 together, and 2 single crochet on chain 2 space. Proceed like this till the end of this row. And then join to the top of the first single crochet to end this row. Now chain 2, do a half double crochet on the first single crochet and 1 half double crochet on each stitch around this row. So this is row 9. We'll do 1 half double crochet on each stitch and then join with the slip stitch on top of the chain 2. Chain 2, row 10 will be chain 2 and same as row 9, 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. So we'll be doing 1 half double crochet in each stitch around and then join with the slip stitch on top of chain 2 to end this row. Join with the slip stitch on top of chain 2 to end the row. Chain 1, one single crochet on the same stitch, and then one single crochet on each stitch around. This is the last row of our cup sleeve. So we'll be doing one single crochet on each stitch around to end this row, and then join with this slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. So I'm joining with the slip stitch on top of first single crochet. Cut off the yarn, secure your knots. See, we have lots of extra loops inside. Cut them all, secure them with knots. Now I have a coffee mug, so I'm just fitting it to see if it is fitting snug and well. Look how beautiful it is. It is also a great gift, so please try this at home. I have already one created. So you have these beautiful tags available in Amazon. You can buy them. This will add an extra cuteness. So I have just cut out a coffee cup template and added this sleeve to it. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to Yarn Bowl for more exciting contents. Thank you.